Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can live the storm first and just be alive in the storm first and beat it. So what you'll need to do is basically get in the bunker before the storm starts. As you can see the timer right here, it says when the storm should arrive. So make sure to go when storm started to the bunker, and then that time, like 11 minutes or 15 minutes, you can sleep with the bed. Not with the bed, but using bed. I will show you how it's done. So basically, if the storm is started right now, what I will do is just go to the bed right here and just sleep for the whole 24 hours, and the storm will be ended. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one.